Hello everyone, how you doing?
Hello.
Well, we're really excited because on the spring equinox, that is the 20th of March, we're celebrating here in Stradishall.
It's a Sunday.
It's going to be a beautiful day. The day of the sun really is when the sun rises due east and sets due west. That time of balance, and you've got probably about 3 days in that area, 3 or 4 days of really where you get that amazing feeling of, you already tune into it. So we're celebrating on Sunday with a fantastic event here for you.
In Suffolk?
Yep, we're in sunny Suffolk. And if it's not sunny, don't worry, we'll have the fire roaring. And not just burning our local wood that we forage and we get locally, but also we're going to be learning about new technologies or even old technologies for well-being, not just for us, but also for the planet as well. Such as, look at this, this is a byproduct.
Oh.
Hemp stalks, that is. And they compress them, dry them out, and you can heat yourself. Amazing, things like that. So Juliette, we're going to start at 10:30, but there's actually a little pre-event.
It's like a bonus.
It's like a bonus. It's like a bonus. Here we go, giving you a bonus. Anyone that wants to, come just before 10, because at 10 o'clock we're going to start a little yoga session. Community yoga, be gentle yoga practice. Then 10:30, boom, we come into the start of our spring equinox event. We're going to open the medicine wheel, open the peace circle, and I'm going to run a workshop on the healing of the medicine wheel, and working with peace circles is going to be brilliant energy for the spring equinox. Juliette, then it's going to be over to you.
And then we're going to make, because you might be thirsty after all of that, we're going to make the ultimate smoothie. The smoothie is going to have so many incredible ingredients, some of them foraged. And after we make the smoothie and we drink it, we're going to go out on a foraging walk, just in the local environment. It's not going to be a long walk, just to see what we can find. Now, obviously March, there's stuff just coming up, so there won't be a huge amount, but actually you'll be surprised just how much there is out there. So we're going to be going through that. And then for those who want to, we're going to be making a superfood salad as part of the lunch. You can chill out then if you want, or you can help with that food prep for what will be a delicious feast of a lunch.
That's right. So there's sort of 3 food things that Juliette's going to be doing within this amazing day, showing you the ultimate smoothie, including ingredients that you will have in your local environment. And when it comes to that, knowledge is power. If you can just learn 3 plants that you could use then throughout much of the year to enhance your food and health and well-being, and it's local and it's free, don't panic, it's organic, wild crafted, amazing. Do the walk and then learn about how to make some of these things, practical things, how to actually do it. A little food demo is so valuable for people. We're going to have a lunch, and Juliette, we're charging £25 for the day, and
we want to keep it affordable and accessible to everyone. The lunch in itself will be worth that or more. So you've got a whole big lot of amazing stuff that you're going to get for that money. And so it's really going to be an amazing day of community. All the food is vegan and gluten-free and refined sugar-free. So you're not going to have any of those things in the food that we're making. We're going to go lots of love and taste.
We're going to go to town, and under 16s can come for a tenner if they want to engage in the activities that we're doing, and that's going to be an amazing thing. Really is an amazing thing. Then after lunch, Juliette, I'm going to do some fun exercises just to get us vibing.
Prepare for laughing.
I'm not going to tell you what that is.
You will be laughing.
I'm not going to tell you what we're going to do, but it will be with clothes on and consensual, so don't worry about that.
And then we're going to move straight into a manifestation workshop with me, where we're going to be learning about the art of manifestation, how we can understand what our dreams are, our visions are, and how we can work to bring those into reality. So that's going to be a really amazing session.
The thing with that, Juliette, is I feel that I've done some amazing manifestation in my life already, you know, so that's great. And then, but what else? You know, what do we want to, and also collectively, what can we put our visions on? Hey, what about the collective power of us joining together? And that's really, we're going to live that, we're going to experience that, because we've got other members of the Perpetual Choirs band joining us. We're then going to have an amazing experience of sacred sound.
So if you want to book on this amazing event, then please go to www.juliette, Bryant.com. It will be posted up there so you can see it, and go to the events page and you'll see it there.
Yeah, absolutely. So please do book on. We have very limited spaces for this event, but we look forward to seeing you here. It's going to be an intimate event. It's going to be vibing, high vibe. If that's your vibe.
Yeah, come along. Take care.
Oh, here we go. You first. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namaste.